How to communicate professionally with buyers on Fiverr. First of all, always start your conversation with a polite greeting and introduce yourself clearly. A friendly and professional tone sets the right impression from the beginning. Next, understand the buyer's requirements carefully before responding. Ask clarifying questions if something is unclear and make sure you fully understand your expectations to avoid any misunderstandings. After that, respond promptly. Quick replies show that you are reliable and value the client's time. Even if you don't have a full answer immediately, acknowledge the message and let them know when you will follow up. Also, keep your messages clear and concise. Avoid long paragraphs or confusing language. Use bullet points or number lists if necessary to make your communication easy to read. Another important point is to remain professional even if the buyer is difficult or sends negative feedback. Stay polite, avoid arguments, and focus on solutions to maintain a positive working relationship. Finally, summarize key points before closing a conversation. Confirm deadlines, deliverables, and expectations so both sides are aligned and there are no surprises. Now you know how to communicate professionally with buyers on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.